Imagine you're a business owner juggling countless tasks. You've just finished a project, and it's time to send out invoices. You're overwhelmed by the thought of manually tracking expenses, creating invoices, and managing payments. Wouldn't it be great if there was a tool that could streamline this process? That's where Expensify comes in. You've probably heard of Expensify as a popular expense management app. But did you know it can also handle invoicing? And the best part? It might not cost you a dime. Expensify's free plan. Let's dive into Expensify's free plan. While it offers a wide range of features, including expense tracking, receipt scanning, and per diem calculations, the invoicing feature is a hidden gem. You can create and send professional-looking invoices to your clients without paying a single cent. Key features of Expensify invoicing. Customizable templates. Create invoices that match your brand with customizable templates. Easy tracking. Track invoice status and get notified when clients view or pay your invoices. Payment integration. Accept payments directly through Expensify using various payment gateways. Expense reconciliation. Easily reconcile your expenses with your invoices to ensure accuracy. Paid plans and pricing. While the free plan is great for small businesses, Expensify also offers paid plans for larger businesses with more complex needs. These plans typically include additional features like advanced reporting, team management, and integrations with other accounting software. The pricing for Expensify's paid plans can vary depending on the number of users and features required. However, they generally offer competitive pricing compared to other invoicing and expense management solutions. Cost considerations. When considering the cost of Expensify, it's important to weigh the benefits against the potential savings. By automating the invoicing process and reducing manual errors, Expensify can save you time and money. Additionally, the ability to track expenses and reconcile them with invoices can help you avoid costly mistakes. Alternatives to Expensify. While Expensify is a popular choice, it's not the only option available. There are other expense management and invoicing tools on the market that offer similar features. Some of these alternatives may have different pricing structures or focus on specific industries. It's important to research and compare different options to find the best fit for your business needs and budget. So, how much does Expensify charge for invoices? The short answer is, it doesn't. Expensify's free plan includes a robust invoicing feature that can help you streamline your business operations and save time and money. With Expensify, you can easily create and send professional-looking invoices, track payments, and reconcile expenses. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, Expensify can be a valuable tool for managing your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.